All right, welcome to the Portkeys booth. We're here at NAB 2025. I'm with Lewis, and I'm going to take you on a little tour real quick of the new monitors that they have on display. So, for all you Sony users out there that always needed camera control, whether you're using your FX3, FX6, A1, A9, whatever the case may be, we have the LH7P, which is going to be 1,000 nits wireless control monitor. What that means is you'll be able to do touch to focus and you'll be able to use your full camera control, right? And then for you FX6 users, I have something for you as well. So I'm gonna get you to follow me over here. So we have the LS7P, and they have two different UIs that they're using this year. Mauve Norm, as you know, that's more of on the entry level, and Cine Norm is going to be their professional line. Well, this LS7P, it has a BD1 on the back, so you're able to put your video transmitter on the back and everything is powered. It has an SDI in and an HDMI in and is wireless. So it goes over 2.4 gigahertz. So that's how you hook it up, even on your A1, A9, or whatever it is, and you have full camera control. Now, this one right here is going to be the LH5P, and it's 2200 nits. Don't mind the 2000, it's 2200 nits. And it has, I think, a Rec 709 of 100%, and it is wireless control as well. And it will have camera functions, and you can use your ISO, f-stop. You can change all of that. But what's good about this, if you are using the FX6, you'll be able to change your variable ND filter right in here. Now, this is what I was told. Don't hold me to this at the booth, but this is what they told me. This monitor right here, once they update the firmware, if you have 3 of these monitors, you'll be able to control 3 different cameras from this one monitor. Touch, focus, and all of that once they update the software. This monitor, you want to know how much it costs, right? Well, as of right now, they don't have a price, but they said it should be under $500. Well, the LH5P2 is $399. That is a freaking steal for you to have full camera control. On my FX3, I have a cine back on it, so the side, I get tired of going to the side, hitting the tap to focus. You don't have to do that no more. Even on your A7R5, you can have full camera control. The ZV-1 here. Now, Lewis, I'm gonna take you right over to the professional line, right? Our professional line that's going to be over here, we're going to start right here. This is a 2000 nit, and it has the Cine Norm OS or the UI system. It's dual screen, so you'll be able to see your horizontal and vertical if you are into that 9:16 type format. Touch to focus. This has an SDI in and HDMI, and it is wireless as well. And you also have a wired connection, so they sell a different connection if you need to just plug it in, and if your camera is not working, they have a specific cable for that. And this is the 5-inch monitor. Now we have the BM72DS, which is going to be your 7-inch, and it is 2200 nits. It has an SDI in and an SDI in number 2 and an HDMI in. It does the same thing. It has a wireless transmitter. It has RE locking pin things here at the top. You can have your custom button functions, your false color, which you would normally have. And then it also has a motor control, which I don't know what that means, so don't hold me to that. But this is going to be their flagship line as far as monitors. This is insane. We're in 2025, and it is absolutely amazing as the technology that we're going. I can't wait to see what we have next year.